Shall we start? Give me a thumbs up. Great, great. All right. So I know, first of all, I would like to apologize for the delay as the other meeting was going on. And very good evening to all of you, as this is your first audition. And there has to be a certain process to follow, जो मैं आपको भी बता देती हूँ. It will be your introduction. It will be your ramp work. It will be done in 2 parts. ठीक है? Make sure your introduction is crisp, brief, and it's all about yourself. And introduction के बाद आपका जो rap walk है, that has to be done in 2 parts. Okay, and talking about the after introduction thing, introduction के बाद में after 48 hours you are going to receive a report card, a lifetime of validity with your audition report card, which will be sent to you via WhatsApp or via email. Okay, so this will hold a lifetime of validity, so you can be the member of FCR family. Okay, am I clear with the rounds? The 2 rounds where you have to perform an introduction and ramp walk. All right, ladies. So welcome to the jury member for today. We have Harry Khosa with us, our project director, and our boss lady, Kirti ma'am, the director of FCR, Kirti ma'am. So over to you, Harry, now.
Thank you, Jaya. A very good evening, ladies. I hope you guys are doing good, and a digital hi to everyone. I can see some smiling and lovely faces across the screen, and let's get started. First of all, thank you so much for your patience throughout. We genuinely appreciate it, and thank you so much for being there, waiting for it. We had a meeting and we had to wind it up. So jaldi mein, we have tried our best. So let's start afresh, because I know you guys are here to shine, and of course, put your best foot forward. Do not be nervous, be comfortable in what you are doing. लैंग्वेज कोई बात नहीं है, आप इंग्लिश में कंफर्टेबल हैं इंग्लिश में बात करें, अगर आप हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हैं इवन बेटर. It's all about your dreams, your identity, because you are here to kickstart your journey, your dream of becoming a super successful woman, and of course a model as well. So all the best to everyone. I would be interacting one-on-one to start with, and then we will be winding up overall. So are we all set? Give me a thumbs up. Great. So let's start with Ishi. Hi Ishi, how are you? आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए, आपका माइक ऑफ है.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good. I'm fine. What about you, ma'am?
I am good. अनामिका जी, आपका माइक थोड़ा म्यूट पे रखिए, आपका म्यूजिक हम बाद में सुनेंगे. Anyways, Ishi, tell me more about yourself. Okay,
Well,
are you nervous? Let me just
good evening.
Are you nervous?
Little bit, thoda sa.
You don't have to be. You can interact with me like you talk to your friends, and I'm just here to know more about you guys. You guys are all interesting, unique individuals. Look at all, all of you are shining across the screen. कितने अच्छे लग रहे हो आप लोग. And I'm sure that you have a very interesting story to tell of why you are here. So ये भी मैं clear कर दूं कि अपने introduction में आप 2 चीजें जरूर बताइएगा, आपकी hobbies, and of course why do you want to win the crown? Why are you here on this platform? So Ishi, let's start afresh. Don't worry. You don't have to be nervous at all. Come on.
Okay, so let me start. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Mrs. Isha Mahawar, and I'm 36 years young and energetic. I was born and brought up in Manipur, and now I'm here in Jaipur with my son for last 2 years. I'm a homemaker, I'm a dance teacher, and I'm a proud parent, as I play both the role of a mother and a father, as my husband is not here with us because of his business responsibilities, so I alone take care of my son Arav. Well, and this very responsibility gives me that extra courage, that extra strength and confidence within me that we as a women are not less than anyone, and we are capable of doing anything and everything. So I'm very much fond of dancing, singing, painting, cooking, and and whatnot. And now I'm here to add that one more achievement and one more success, and to explore myself a little more, to add that achievement and success into my list, into my life. And so I'm here. Well, this is my second chance in any beauty pageant. My last was in a beauty pageant. I took part in September in the beauty pageant named Glamour India, the Dream Makers. And I won there the titles of Mrs. Best Rempok, Mrs. Popular, and Mrs. Best Designer Choice. So, well, looking forward to this event also the same. So that's all about me. Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
I'm sorry.
No, why? You shouldn't be apologetic about anything. First of all, you look lovely. Second of all, it's a surprise that you are a mother. I am already feeling, it's a complex, trust me. And I'm sure everybody agrees. So, Isha, love the way you have maintained yourself. I think we can work a little more on the confidence.
Yeah.
You look every bit like a potential model that we can have. So let's start with your ramp walk. Let us see who was this Mrs. Ramp walk that you won. So I think we deserve a glimpse of that as well. So you can start. Isha, can you hear me? आप म्यूट पे चले गए हो, प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो.
Okay, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Yes, it's fine, and you can start with your ramp walk.
With my ramp walk?
Yeah.
Hello. I think, ma'am, there is something wrong with my network, or I don't know what.
Isha, I would suggest you to remove your AirPods if you are wearing one. It would help you to connect.
Okay. Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Is it fine, ma'am?
It's perfect now. You can start.
Okay. Let me start my ramp walk. Is it fine, ma'am?
It's fine. It's good, Isha. Thank you so much. You could sit back comfortably.
Okay, ma'am. So there's one more ramp walk, something?
No, that's it. Thank you so much. And your ramp walk speaks for itself. That was indeed very, very well. So I would just move on as of now, but I will be coming back to you and we will be interacting again in the end. So I will just...
Sure, ma'am.
Thank
you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's hear it from Kasturi. Hi, Kasturi. I hope I pronounced your name right.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. A very good evening to everyone. Here I am Kasturi Ghosh from Kolkata, West Bengal. I am 25 years of age. My weight is 58 kg and height is 5 feet 3 inch. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation as well as from University of Calcutta. And now I am pursuing my B.Ed from St. Xavier's College, Autonomous, Kolkata. I have, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't wait. Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Actually, I have participated in this, I should say competition, because I have not seen this pageantry as a competition, but far beyond of competition. I have seen this as a learning experience, because I think I can see a different of Kasturi. Who was I, who am I, and who will be I if I got the opportunity. And the most important thing is, belonging from a very typical middle class Bengali family, it's not so easy to showcase your talents, because always there is your society who will pull backward you. And it is my challenge to in the platform and to prove myself for myself and to myself. And the most important part of these that I can get the opportunity to work with different organizations, and I can extend my family beyond of my blood region, beyond of my blood relation. That's why I have participated. And the most important things are the shares and the crown. I know that those are the materialistic highlights in this competition, but I want to say that the crown will not define me, rather I will define the crown. That's why I have participated, because I want to know more about myself. I want to explore myself. That's it, ma'am.
Thank you, Kasturi. Before I comment, I just want you to wind up with what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy as an individual?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm extremely sorry. I just forgot to mention. My hobby is to dancing, to do yoga in my everyday life, as I'm a very foodie. I love food. That's why I have to keep yoga in every day. And I also write on current social issues.
Wonderful, wonderful. Kasturi, I love the clarity that you have, and I love the honesty that, I am here to explore myself, explore a new opportunity. So that shows, and that sparks through your confidence. It's a very, very good quality. I would request you to start with your ramp walk as well.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Just give me a minute to set the frame.
Absolutely.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, should I mute myself?
Works either ways for me, not an issue.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, Kasturi. Thank you. Your work is indeed confident, and it shows, like I said, the actions exuberate what clarity you have. So thank you so much. Lovely hearing from you, and I'll get back to you in a while. Let's hear from Megha. Hi, Megha. How are you?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you're perfectly audible.
Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies. Good evening, ma'am. I'm perfectly fine. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking, and I would love for you to start with the introduction.
Ma'am, just first, I want to say you look amazing. And
thank you. That's
so
really
should I start?
absolutely. I don't think it's worth making you wait. You lovely looking women around. So yeah, go ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. My name is Megha. I am from Calcutta and I'm 24 years old. I have completed my graduation in zoology and took a risk and changed my entire career, just the love of traveling, and became a cabin crew and staying in Chennai from last 2.5 years. So as for my hobbies, as I've already mentioned, I love traveling. And when I'm not traveling, I like to travel virtually. That is, I love to read books. I read a lot of books. And I am 5'8", and my weight is 57 kgs. And I have always wanted to be a model, but because of studies and then I got a job, it kind of blurred out and I couldn't fulfill my dream to be a model. So when I saw this advertisement of this pageant, I think this is the best opportunity for me to start now. And another thing that when I think about a beauty pageant, I think it will give me a better platform to start something which will be important for middle class girls who can see us as role models and feel that they also can achieve their dreams. So I think that is very important for me to tell everyone that everyone can achieve their dream as long they're dreaming.
Thank you, Megha. Thank you so much. I love the energy that you have, and there is, a very strongly positive vibe that you carry along with yourself. And I would love for you to start with your ramp walk as well.
Ma'am, is it okay if I take like just 1 minute to set the camera?
Absolutely, go ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'll just stop the video for 30 seconds because it will look otherwise weird.
Works good. Yes, yes, Megha, you're perfectly visible. You can start. Thank you, Megha. Thank you so much. And I love how all of you are wearing heels, you know, shows your sincerity and shows that you are very keen on coming towards the platform. Thank you so much. And I'll be getting back to you in a while. Let me just proceed as of now.
Certainly, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hi, Suchismita. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you?
मैं भी बढ़िया. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sorry. Good evening, ma'am, and good evening to everyone. First, I would like to say thank you for River Star India Award, giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Suchismita Das. I am from West Bengal. I belong from a Bengali family, and I am a 20-year girl. And I am doing my MBBS study from abroad since 2017, and now I am an intensive doctor. So, and along my study, I always want to do modeling, and so I want to again say thank you to give this opportunity, and thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And my hobbies are dancing and drawing, and I have completed my dancing course when I was 12th standard, and that's all about me, ma'am.
Wonderful.
And this is my first time, so I am a little confused, ma'am.
Oh, you don't have to be. I am also talking to you first and I'm very nervous, but I can't show it, you know, that's the case. But thank you so much. Thank you so
And
much.
ma'am, I am doing from Philippines abroad, University of Visayas, Bulas College of Medicine,
Sorry,
Philippines.
break हो गया
It's a abroad country.
तो आपका आवाज ब्रेक हो गया था, so I couldn't hear what you were saying. Can you repeat?
Oh, actually, I want to say that I have been doing my MBBS course from Philippines, and it's a abroad country. And my university name is University of Bulas College of Medicine of Visayas, Cebu City.
Okay. So सुचिस्मिता, इतना सब कुछ आपने बताया, but अब मुझे ये बताइए कि सुचिस्मिता यहाँ क्या करने आई हैं? Why does she want to win that crown?
Because ma'am, always along with my study, I want to do modeling, and here I want to do that one only.
Wonderful, wonderful. I love your honesty, and I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And ma'am, please, I want to some few seconds to settle my camera.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
একটু আসো না ক্যামেরা, হ্যাঁ ক্যামেরাটাকে একটু ব্যাক ক্যামেরা করে ধরো, হ্যাঁ এইভাবেই ধরো, ঠিক আছে? হ্যাঁ আমাকে যেন পুরোটা ভিজিবল হয়।
Thank you, Suchismita. Thank you so much. आप comfortably बैठ जाइए. Thank you so much. And I would, I will be getting back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Anamika.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, I am in the village, so that's why some problem.
No worries at all. Thank you. And let's hear it from Anamika. Hi, Anamika. How are you? Anamika, आप म्यूट पे हैं. अपना माइक ऑन कीजिए. लेफ्ट पे आइकॉन होगा. लेफ्ट पे.
हेलो.
कैसे हैं आप?
आ रहे हैं मैम, आवाज आ रहे हैं.
मैम मैं आपको इंट्रोडक्शन हिंदी में दूंगी क्योंकि मैं गांव से हूँ। हाँ ओके मैम। मैम मेरा नाम अनामिका गोस्वामी है और मैं गांव में विलेज से हूँ, सीधी नासगढ़ नॉर्थ ईस्ट से। और मैम मैं स्टडी करती हूँ, सेल्फ स्टडी मेरी चल रही, मेरा MA चल रहा है, रनिंग पे है। और मैम मैं फॉरएवर में मेरा सपना था कि मैं आऊँ और मुझे मिस इंडिया में थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा तो मैं आना चाहती हूँ। और मेरी हॉबी है डांस एंड एक्टिंग, सिंगिंग और पेंटिंग, ये सारी चीजें मैम। और मुझे स्टडी करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है मैम। मैम मैं आपको रैंप वॉक करके दिखाऊं? ओके मैम मैं सोची कि मेरा आपको आवाज ही कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है मैम। मेरा यहाँ से थोड़ा सा, यहाँ से अगर मैं थोड़ा सा कर पाऊँ, देख पाए आप थोड़ा सा तो। मैम मैंने सैंडल तो नहीं पहना है पर अभी बट मैम मैं अच्छे से करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, 2 मिनट। मैम मुझे कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं हो रहा है, आज मेरा फर्स्ट डे है तो।
कोई बात नहीं अनामिका, होता है, नो प्रॉब्लम। जब आप अच्छे से ग्रूम हो जाओगे, ट्रेन हो जाओगे, तब आपके अंदर अपने आप कॉन्फिडेंस आता है। जब हम कुछ पहली बार करते हैं तो बहुत ही लाजमी सी चीज है कि हम अंदर कॉन्फिडेंट और नर्वस होते हैं।
मैम आज मैं तैयार भी हुई पर अच्छे से नहीं हो पाई, थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा था कि मैं पहली बार कैसे इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगी, इस वजह से मैम। और बाकी कुछ
अनामिका मैं आपको म्यूट कर रही हूँ। आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं, यू आर लुकिंग वेरी प्रिटी एंड आपकी जो स्माइल है बहुत प्यारी है। एंड डोंट वरी, अगर आपने कुछ गड़बड़ भी किया, आपको लग रहा है आप और बेटर कर सकते थे, बहुत मौके आएंगे अपने आप को प्रूव करने के लिए, ठीक है? बट नेवर लूज दैट स्माइल एंड आई एम श्योर यू गोना मेक ग्रेट। So, all right, ladies, I would request you all to start your cameras again so that we can wind up. Of course, thank you so much. Thank you so much for, of course, patiently waiting and talking about yourself so beautifully. Mera energy jo ekdam low ho gaya tha, I am recharged because I have met such wonderful women across the screen. Thank you so much. अपने बारे में इतने अच्छे से बात करने के लिए, it was a pleasure talking to all of you. But now I think आप लोगों को हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में जानने का भी उतना ही हक है. So I will be talking about the platform in detail ताकि आपको आइडिया रहे कि what are you getting into. Because Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. It is a community that we are building of women who are talented, passionate and जिन्हें एक चाह है अपनी एक अलग यूनिक आइडेंटिटी बनाने की. Because I'm sure आप लोगों ने नोटिस कर लिया होगा that you guys are so different from each other. आपकी fields, backgrounds, contexts बहुत different हैं. But एक चीज आप सब में common है. The wish to create a unique identity for yourself. अपनी एक ऐसी पहचान बनाना कि लोग मुझे मेरे नाम से जाने. You know, aspirations अलग हो सकती हैं. किसी की acting, किसी का just to explore new opportunities, और किसी का modeling. But the final goal is that one goal that you have. So of course you fit into the criteria that we are looking for, because जब आप लोगों ने बोला ना my height is this, my weight is this, I did not care to listen because it does not matter. FCA takes immense pride in being a very inclusive platform. नहीं मैटर करता है आप मॉडलिंग बैकग्राउंड से हो या नहीं मैटर करता है आपका वेट क्या है, हाइट क्या है. अगर आपने कभी स्टैंडर्ड पैजेंट्स का क्राइटेरिया देखा हो, इट्स ऑलवेज मिनिमम मॉडल हाइट मानी जाती है 5'5", 5'6", but we have kept it 5 because we do not think that it should not define your career. None of these physical attributes matter when women who are talented, passionate, come together to put up an extremely beautiful show. And that is what FCI represents and, stands for. So of course, talking about the platform in further detail, of course, आज आपका audition complete हुआ है. So आप लोगों ने अपने अपने तरीके से मेहनत करी, because it takes a lot of courage, बहुत हिम्मत लगती है एक absolute stranger से अपने बारे में बात करने के लिए. Sound बहुत easy करता है, but it takes a lot of courage to, just come on the camera and talk to an absolute stranger about yourself. And you guys have proven yourself. अपना outfit choose करना, तैयार होना, हर वो छोटी छोटी detail देखना, all of it. So to appreciate that, we will be sending out audition reports, जिसके बारे में जया शुरू में बात कर रही थी. Now, why an audition report? The audition report will act like a certificate, जो कि आपको email या WhatsApp के through भेजी जाएगी by Monday at max. Now, the reason behind it is to keep the process very, very transparent. Because see, I am sure, अगर आप select होते हो, तो भी आप, अगर आप नहीं select होते हो, तो भी आपके पास ये report आएगी. अगर आप होते हो, तो भी आपके पास ये report आएगी. Because दोनों ही situations में आपका ये जानना जरूरी है कि reason क्या है आपकी selection या non-selection का. जब हम नहीं सिलेक्ट होते तब तो हमें जानना ही होता है कहाँ कमी रह गई सो दैट वी कैन इंप्रूव. बट व्हेन वी गेट सिलेक्टेड इट्स इवन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो, बिकॉज किसी भी जर्नी की शुरुआत करने से पहले यू नीड टू नो वेयर डू यू स्टैंड. आपके हाई पॉइंट्स क्या हैं, आपके वीक पॉइंट्स क्या हैं. सो द ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट विल गिव यू क्लैरिटी कि आपका बेसिस ऑफ सिलेक्शन क्या रहा है, व्हाट डिड वी लाइक इन यू एंड वेयर डू वी थिंक यू नीड टू improve yourself a little. Now, how will you improve is something that I will talk in the end, but addressing the same thing, the audition report will also hold a validity of lifetime, which means you will never have to audition again for any of the upcoming FCR pageants in future. So, it's going to hold that kind of validity. अब बात करते हैं यूनिक पहचान बनाने की. बोल तो मैंने दिया कि FCI is all about that, but how will we do it? So, आप लोगों में से कितनों ने अपना नाम कभी गूगल किया है? You can raise your hand. Have you ever googled your name? या हम करते हैं या हम नहीं करते ये सोच के कि अभी हमने ऐसा कुछ किया नहीं है कि गूगल पे हमारा नाम आए. We are like, it's okay, we haven't done something yet. But what if I tell you that as soon as you become a participant of FCR, a member of our community, your profile gets created on the website, and that profile showcases your bio, your pictures, your modeling profile and everything. But the interesting part is, as soon as you will Google yourself, so Isha Mahawar, Megha Saha, Kasturi Ghosh, Suchismita Das, जैसे ही आप अपने आप को Google करेंगे वो प्रोफाइल बनने के बाद, आपकी modeling profile as an FCR participant will pop up right on the top. Imagine ये बोलना किसी को कि मेरा नाम Google कर लो, मेरा काम दिख जाएगा. Look at the value it holds. That is the kind of deal we are offering. तो एक identity बनाने का tick off तो वहीं पे मैंने आपने solve कर दिया. And all of you will be getting it no matter if you win the pageant or not. So this is the kind of space we are getting you into, because for us, your talent, your passion matters and every effort counts. Of course, there will be many, many other benefits. There will be a unique hard copy certificate involved. There will be a lifetime membership. You all will be receiving a sash, a personalized sash for that matter delivered to you. And जब मैं lifetime membership की बात करती हूँ, it becomes a very important factor. Because, क्या पूरा process हो जाता है lifetime membership में, that once you are a member, हमें usually लगता है कि pageant खत्म हो गया, या तो जीते या हारे, बात खत्म. But lifetime membership से हमारा मतलब है that you will receive every opportunity that will be generated by the platform. For example, next year हम अपना खुद का OTT platform launch करने वाले हैं. I'm sure everybody is aware of OTT. Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon have been the surviving tools of COVID, the pandemic for that matter. Imagine getting a call for acting's audition, director's audition, singing's audition directly from a platform that is so safe and you are already associated with. Because let's be honest, when we as women see any opportunity related to glamour world, सबसे पहले कोई भी post देख के दिमाग में आता है कहीं ये fake तो नहीं है. I need to check if this is authentic or not. So imagine getting such huge opportunities consistently just on the basis of your talent. So that is all that we need from you, your talent, your hard work, and that's it. Nothing else for that matter. Of course, now who better than the director of Forever Star India, for that matter, a guiding guardian angel for that matter, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, to take over and talk about the platform and talk about the grand finale, because let's be honest, everybody wants to wear the couture gown and win the crown for that matter. So she will be talking about the finale and some other things जो आपकी in these, in the coming 2 months होने वाली हैं. More exciting stuff. So let's just welcome Kirti ma'am. Kirti ma'am, over to you. Can we please have you on board?
Yes, hi Harry, a very good evening to you and good evening to all the participants appearing for today's audition. I cannot switch on my video because I am a little outside and it's dark here. So you can just look at my picture and listen to me. So congratulations. Thank you, Harry. So Harry has very beautifully explained to you the benefits of being here on this platform and what is the motto that Forever Star India carry. We are trying to empower women. We are trying to bring talented and skilled women like you here on the platform who can actually make a difference in the society, right? So the first requirement is that you understand your potential, what your true potential is. So I have been listening to you. I have been listening to your introduction, your ramp walk and everything. So I am totally, proud that what kind of confident women are going to be here on this platform. So once you receive your audition reports, what is the process going to look like? Let me just explain in a little detail. You receive your audition reports irrespective of the fact that you are selected or not selected. Once you are selected in today's audition, then you will be completing your participation process. And once you complete the participation process, you become an official member of Forever Star India and you become a participant of Forever Miss and Mrs. India 2021. So instantly we start with your training sessions. Now these training sessions are going to be virtual, just in the same manner that you're sitting across the screen right now. In the same manner, you will be appearing for these training sessions. Now, what is going to happen in these training sessions? Because you have given your introduction, you've done your ramp walk. So we have a team of 150 plus experts, and these experts include image consultants, we have motivational speakers, we have ramp walk experts and nutritionists. So these trainers, they're actually going to help you in becoming the best version of yourself. I understand all of you are unique. You have your own set of aspirations and you want to make a difference in this world. But as I say, until you understand what your true potential is, you cannot really, be close to success. So these trainers are going to help you with that. So initially, when we start with these training sessions, so with every training session, you will be appearing for a respective talent round 1, talent round 2, and talent round 3. So all of these talent rounds, you will be given 3 chances to prove yourselves, and then we will be selecting finalists and city winner from every city. So whichever city you're from, be it Jaipur, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune. Now, once you are selected as a city winner or as a finalist from your city, so this is the first step towards becoming a part of the grand finale. Right now, the grand finale, it happens in the month of December from 17th to 20th of December. On the first 2 days, we will be crowning the city winners. Because see, when the whole process happens virtually, the grand finale is offline. It will happen in Jaipur, which I'm sure I could hear that one candidate, she is from Jaipur. So you know that how beautiful the city is. Yes, Isha, yes, you are from Jaipur. So the other candidates who haven't seen Jaipur, let me tell you, this event happens in Marriott and it is one of the most beautiful cities of our country. You'll get to know more about the city. You'll get to explore the city because you are going to stay here for most probably 1, 2, or 3 days for this event, right? Now, when you become a city winner, you'll be here, you'll be wearing that beautiful couture gown and you'll be walking down the ramp and a celebrity is going to crown you. That means even if you become a winner at city level, you become a winner at state level, or for that matter, at national level, at any of these levels, you will be coming all the way to Jaipur for the grand finale, which otherwise it's not the case. In general beauty pageants, if you see, only the national winners are being crowned. But as a winner at all of these levels, you will be crowned, photo shoots are going to happen, you will be treated as a celebrity. So start treating yourself as a celebrity as soon as you clear the audition, because you just have 1 month in your hand and this 1 month is going to be super hectic because we'll have the special training sessions. We will be preparing you how to come in front of the media, right? So try and put in your blood, sweat and tears into these training sessions. And yes, of course, as I say, the rosier it looks from outside, the more difficult it is to be there, right? So it is going to be a lot of hard work from your end. It is going to be a lot of hard work from our end, of course. Our trainers are going to be there to help you out with everything. Right. And one thing I guess I missed out on too, that this participation process, if you want to complete it once you clear the audition, then there is a minimal fee of 4,000 rupees plus GST for completing the participation process, which includes your training and grooming sessions. It includes your lifetime membership on this platform, and of course, the various other business opportunities, which Harry has already mentioned. So with respect to the process, with respect to the grand finale, anything that you would want to ask, please feel free to ask us any questions.
I think the women are sorted and they're processing information. I am sharing Forever Star India's Instagram, Facebook, and social media details. Make sure you guys check it out because, like I always say, you know, you all are smart women. Always research before you invest into something. Check out the kind of work we have been up to, especially the website and YouTube channel. You will get an idea of what you're getting into. So thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much for hearing us out so patiently. Thank you so much. Looking forward to meet you all. See you all in the training sessions. Thank you and take care. Have a lovely evening ahead. Goodbye.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, ma'am, and
Thank you so
good
much,
night to all
everyone.
of you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Good night.
Good night.